Yo, right back at you, the host with the most, J Mac, another Dozen Magazine exclusive. Like I said before, we take you to the people, the places, and the events that you don't normally get a chance to check out anywhere else. Right now, I'm sitting here actually, with my man Raymond Lataki. I'm working on the name. Raymond Lataki, and he's the creator and owner of the 13th Door. How you doing today, man?
I'm doing good, man. Thank you guys for coming.
Hey, thank you for having us. Raymond just gave us a phenomenal tour of the 13th Door, soon to be opening up on the 26th of September 2014. It's going to be the best haunted house imaginable. I mean, if you guys get a chance to check it out, Raymond, why don't you tell them where it's located?
Oh, yeah. We're at 3855 Southwest Murray Boulevard, Beaverton, Oregon.
And it's a treat. If you're into Halloween and like to get scared, I mean, we were getting shook up just walking through it with the lights on. So I can only imagine when people come through.
Yeah.
And you got all the bells and whistles going. Man.
Yeah, we get all the animation and the actors and the sounds. This place rocks.
Wow. What gave you the motivation or the drive to want to put this together, man?
You know, you reach that age in your life where you can't live your dream anymore.
Okay.
In a real job.
Mm-hmm.
So you're like going, all right, what do I want to do when I grow up? So it's like I got into this because the economy was so bad, and I was at that age where they're going, you're too old for this. The younger pups are going to do better. So we started it over at an old movie theater that was 14,000 square feet.
Wow.
And it was over in Tigard, a few miles away from here, and the movie theater was actually haunted. We actually it was actually haunted. We had 5 entities in there.
Woo.
It's documented by several different paranormal groups.
Wow.
And it was just crazy. We had so much fun in there. And then we went ahead and it started involving. After 5 years, this is our 13th year doing this.
Okay.
We got to the point where I couldn't afford my kids year round because the haunted house didn't make enough. Mm-hmm. So we started up the Glowing Greens Blacklight Indoor Miniature Golf Course.
Tell us about that, because we got a chance to check that out downtown. That was a nice little look right there.
Yeah, so what we did is we researched it for about 2 or 3 years.
Uh-huh.
And some haunted houses, they'll do blacklight art.
Okay.
And then these cats started really developing it and making it more 3D. And you have these polarized glasses that you can put on, and it separates the colors in the UV paint. And you put black lights on it, and it just gives it the 3D effect.
Wow.
It's really, really trippy.
If you guys have never checked it out, right now we're out in Beaverton, like right behind us is the Alien Adventures, right? And the artwork in there is phenomenal. You know, we put on the 3D glasses. It's like stuff is moving, coming at you. It's really super cool. I can't wait for the haunted house, though. I'm really looking forward to that.
Yeah, haunted house rocks. Now, you know, and just the season, the fall, the cool.
Yeah. Now, Hannah was telling me that this is like the largest one on the West Coast. How many square feet is it?
The haunted house with queue line and everything is approximately 15,000 square feet. We are the single largest attraction.
Wow.
There's a couple of them out there that say, you know, they have 3 haunted houses. Well, their 3 haunted houses would fit in my 1 haunted house.
Hey, it's large, y'all. It's got so many different sections. I can't wait till it opens up. If people want to find out a little bit more about it, Raymond, how can they check you out?
Yeah, you got 2 things. You can Facebook us, you know, 13th Door, or Glowing Greens, and you can find us out on the web at 13thdoor.com or glowinggreens.com.
And when are you opening up? When's the grand opening? Because we want to come back and cover that also.
Oh, yeah, definitely. It's the 26th, and that's our grand opening in September.
Okay.
Our calendar's up online, so you'll be able to see all the dates and times that we're open. So, yeah.
Check them out, y'all. Stay tuned for more. And if you want to get the scared out of yourself, come on out here and check us out at the 13th Door. My man Raymond.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Stay tuned for more Dozen Magazine exclusive, y'all. J Mac, I'm out.